Hi, welcome to BonBi TV. There's a new farm here. Today, let's bring the animals to the new house. Car bring the horse to the new house is coming. Bring them some fresh grass. Some picky coming. They go out of the car and go to the new house. There are many vegetables and fruit. Go prepare for them. What animal is next? Oh, they are cows. They will give us a lot of milk, right? Crane brings some straw for the cow. The crane brings some straw for the cow. Oh, there are some very cute rabbits. That boy little cat. Now, let's give some corns for chicken. They also like some worms in the grain. Favorite place the duck is the lake where they can swim in. The duck loves some small fish. Ah, look over there, honey. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. This car will bring the horse to race. Good luck, horsey. The car carries the meat coming. Some pigs goes. Wow, the cow giving milk. We need to drink a lot of milk to toddler, okay? Oh, my dear Peter, stop it! Don't cut Timo. He is lovely cat. Wow! Congratulations, my dearest horse. My dear horse, you need to eat a lot of grass after race. The meat car from factory come back. Farmer go to take the fresh meat to inside the house. In the evening, all the animals come back to the house to relax.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget like, comment and subscribe to get new videos.